right now. I woke up early this morning and did a workout with Studio Format. I'll leave all their information below for you guys. I swear by them, and I'm trying to do 6 workouts this week. So I didn't sleep that well. Whenever I have an early workout, I feel like I don't get good sleep because I'm like anticipating my alarm going off. So I'm kind of tired right now. I'm on my 2nd cup of espresso. I'm currently working on getting my newsletter up and running. So there's like all this technical back end stuff that I don't know how to do that I'm trying to just figure out. Soon I'm going to start shooting some sponsored content. So I'll show you guys kind of behind the scenes of what that looks like. This will be like my first daily vlog, I feel like. I don't know. Maybe Ethan will help me. You're in the background. No. So yeah, let's go. Let's have a day. Got a lot to do today. Okay, so I have a virtual event in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna try and make myself look presentable, but I'm not gonna put any makeup on because I'm going to film my Rare Beauty review today. And I have some hair content to film. So this happens sometimes, like I have to figure out in what order to do things so that I'm not doing things like multiple times. So I just shot one campaign and submitted it. There wasn't really much to show you guys, so I didn't really film it for the vlog. I will show you some behind the scenes of the next one, or the next 2 things I do. I just felt like it was gonna be boring to have you guys watch me take photos of product. Like I wasn't really shooting myself very much. Doing my hair was an absolute fail, and great news is I don't have to be on camera for this event. So I want to show you guys a little bit what this event is all about. I'll probably show you guys a little bit after the event, but this seems really, really cool. I'm excited to learn about this. Tools for fine lines on the skin, but also for a healthy scalp. So yeah, that was a pretty cool event. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I have some thinness at like the front of my scalp that bothers me, and like hairs that always break like right at the front of my scalp. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this. And I also want to I haven't tried this for the skin yet, but I've heard this is amazing for your skin. So I'll be trying all these out. Of course, I'll report back, let you guys know what I think, but it's kind of what a virtual event consists of these days. So I finally got my hair into a place that I'm happy with for filming. I haven't set up my like where I'm gonna film yet, like situation, because my bedroom's not quite finished, but actually just organized my little beauty area. Hold on, so here's the current, let me just back up. Let's back up. Sorry, there is some laundry situation that is happening, but it's all good. So this is the current bedroom situation. We are getting there. Dresser is new from Urban Outfitters. I absolutely adore it. It's great. We're getting a new bedspread, new pillows, 2 new end tables, 2 new lamps. So this is like the one section of the bedroom that's actually finished for now. Like this is just what it is what it is. I think I'm gonna film right here today. So it's gonna look something like this, but a little zoomed in, and my head will be there. So we'll see. I'm not obsessed with it, but it'll definitely work for now. And it's perfect because all my products right there. I'm gonna review my new Rare Beauty products that I have not tried out yet. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will check back in with you guys right after. How am I doing with this vlogging thing? I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of it. Really, let me just give you a really quick look at the organization situation because I'm so proud of it. This is kind of like stuff that I grab for every day. I don't grab for all of this, but you know, kind of like everyday stuff. Blushes, bronzers. Here's my little Lazy Susan of all my fragrances. And then I have all of my face products. Pencils, these are all eye pencils of some kind, some lip pencils in there too possibly. Then I have lip products, mascaras, glow products, and primers. And then I have the rest of my palettes and like products that I don't always use but like easy to get to now here. I have products that need to be opened and either giveaway or reviewed, or you know, to like switch out stuff that's like old up here. I have a little technology bin where like my camera and all my cords and stuff go. And then that bin is in the living room right now, but that's like stuff I have to unbox and go through bin. So that's the sitch. All right, so I just filmed my Rare Beauty reviews, full face of Rare Beauty. I'm thinking that video is gonna be up before this one, so I'll link it in the description box below in case you guys wanna check it out, but this is the look. Now I'm moving on to my I think my last content, of the day. I have some sponsored content to shoot. It's hair content, so I'm moving on to that. I actually think I'm gonna eat first because I haven't broken my fast yet, so let's go eat first. For reference, filming myself is bizarre, okay? And this is haunting me. Haunting me. Hold on. Yes. Oh my God, shut up. Listening to your voice all day it's rough. Yeah, so I just shot another campaign. This is my ring light. I normally, I just did a reel, so I kind of set my camera up, do my reels. Yeah, this is generally the way it goes, and now I'm doing some stories. This is what I'm wearing. I've changed 6 times today. I did my hair. Because like I told you guys earlier, I'm shooting hair content today, so I have just a couple of stories to do, so I figured I would just kind of b-roll myself doing these stories so you guys can see what it looks like. But dang, my hair does look good. These products are no joke. Honestly, holding the products in one hand is the hardest part of my job. Just kidding. But it is hard. Style my hair, and then I go in. Sometimes I will go in after I wash my hair out of the shower with both of these. Okay, so sometimes this happens. I will go off on a tangent and not be organized in my thoughts. So can you guys even see me? So I have to redo stories a lot of times, or just when I'm shooting videos, because I just start talking and then I go off on a tangent. I'm like, I don't need to be standing here talking for 6 slides. So I'm gonna delete those and start again. So here we have 2 products from Pacifica. I am in love with this line. It's the Salty Waves line. There's a shampoo conditioner, there is a hairspray, and then there is the Beach Balm, which is this one right here, and then the Salty Waves texture spray. So what I love about these is you can put them in your hair to add texture, moisture, whatever it is that you need, either when it's wet or when it's dry. So if I forget to put it in when it's wet, I can still use this on dry hair. Like today, I just used this on dry hair. I styled my hair and then added in the texture spray and the balm on the ends, and it just keeps my hair looking so like beachy textured, body. Because otherwise when I curl my hair, it just falls flat and it looks like I'm wearing a helmet. Does anyone else have that? So I can't live without these. I'm going to link them right here. Reminder that they are BOGO, 40% off, amazing deals right now as a part of the Ulta Gorgeous Hair event. So get your hands on them. I still rambled, but I got all the messaging points in there. I'm gonna rewatch it and see if I like what I got, but yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. That's basically all I can show you about shooting story campaigns and stuff. Okay, we had no groceries, well, for dinner, so we ended up at Wegmans. Sorry, babe. We both just got some subbies. We love Wegmans. I'm gonna sign off for the day because it's been a crazy day of work and I feel like I haven't stopped. So I'm gonna probably sign off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed a little day in my life vlog. Let me know if you guys want more of these. I'll see you soon.
We want more. We want more.